When I began to study the works of the Founding Fathers, the things they wrote, I noticed that they quoted men whose names I'd never before heard. That set me about trying to find who these men were and why our Founding Fathers quoted them so often. As I looked into it, I found that the names of these men and the things that they wrote were purposefully erased from the curriculum of American history today. Well, being who I am, that made me want to read them even more. And as I did, I noticed that there were about 37 men who were most often quoted and quoted regularly by the Founding Fathers. These men, I put together the list and some selections from their works, and I called it the Founder's Recipe, meaning that if we put these ingredients in, we might create another generation like the generation of the Founding Fathers. The book is called The Founder's Recipe, has selections from all the writings of those 37 men, and it's available on Amazon. And every Friday, we'll talk to you about them.